So what we have here is a phenomenon called the owl pellet. What it is when owls eat mice and rabbits and other little critters, sometimes they can't digest the hair and bones, sticks and leaves that they might capture along with it. So it creates this capsule in its belly, if you will. And the only way it can get rid of it is to regurgitate it, like so. So there we have it, the regurgitation of the owl pellet. If you look at what's inside, there's sticks and hair and bones and all sorts of goodies. It really is Mother Nature's cookie.